Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chrissy and today I am going to be doing a quick hair review and a hair tutorial on how I got this super easy copperish brown hair. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Let's just jump right into the quick hair review. I do not want to be one of those people that have 30-minute hair tutorials. That is not necessary. So the bundles, I have in this particular wig a 14 and 16 inch that I got from Cexxy Hair via AliExpress, and I have my notes here. The 16 inches was $28.82. The 14 inches was $26.26. And I actually purchased multiple bundles was at the end of last year, and I have another wig that I made with that. I'm also within that wig bought a frontal that I recommend as well. If you're interested in the frontal, which is not in this wig, the frontal for the 12-inch frontal was $66.80. But what I have in this particular wig is the 16 and the 14-inch from Cexxy Hair, and then I also have a closure that I purchased via Amazon. The closure from Amazon is from VGTE Hair. It's a Brazilian lace closure straight, and also as well the bundles are straight if I didn't mention that. And the lace closure was in the amount of $26.99. It did come with the knots bleached, so all I had to do was pluck. I didn't pluck a lot, if you can see, because I've learned that even though this is my third wig, as you're using the hair, it's going to automatically start to widen as you're, styling your hair and so forth. So I don't like to overly pluck initially because the part is going to get bigger anyway. The hair itself, I have been wearing the hair for multiple months since November, like I said, because I have another wig. And then also the frontal I've been wearing since, I believe I did this on February the 12th. And even though the textures are different, I should say the textures are the same, they're both straight, but the hair types are different. They blend seamlessly, no tangles, no shedding. Even with me bleaching this hair, it's perfect. I can run my fingers through it. I don't get knots, I don't get tangled. I highly recommend this hair. Also holds its curl very well. I curled this on February the 12th, and I think we're in February the 25th at the time that this is being shot, and it's still lasting. And I don't even use heat protectant. Like, I'm not the best when it comes to taking care of hair, but I absolutely love it. Now, what I use to bleach the hair. Sally Beauty, I got the Quick Blue High Performance Powder by L'Oreal. It's a lightener, and then I also got the Salon 20 Volume Cream Developer. You have to make sure you are really watching this hair, because as that powder says, it is quick. It is quick. What I wanted was the bundles to have two different, I wanted the bundles to look slightly different. So I wanted the 16 inches to be a little bit darker, and then I wanted the 14 inches to have some highlights of different types of copper. So what I did was on the 16 inches, I left that on for roughly about 18 minutes. And then for the 14 inches, I left that on for about 23 minutes, and I washed it throughout. The closure I left on for about 15 minutes because I wanted the roots to be darker. I wanted to just blend into the bundles, but I didn't want the roots to be light. The reason why is because I had never at this point bleached, lightened anything before, and I was scared I was going to mess up my closure. Sewing it in, of course, I started with the 16, 14, and the 12, which makes it look like it has layers, and I didn't have to cut anything into it. So I'm really happy with the hair. The process was super easy. If I can do it, you guys can do it. So if you are curious of how you can get this cute, quick copper brown hair for spring, just continue to watch.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, check the description box. Everything will be linked in there, including the names of all the products that I used.